Good morning, it's Cam Brewer here on February 7th, Tuesday, and for Cam's Mortgage Minute. Today I thought I would talk to you some more about self-employed rule changes. Looks like I've seen a lot of news stories coming across the wire, and a lot of our lenders are giving us a heads up that they are tightening the guidelines. That's right. TD was one of the recent lenders, and they are also tightening their guidelines. We've had some of our local credit unions tighten the guidelines. So it looks like, folks, things are changing in the self-employed world. So if you're self-employed and you're showing very little income and you need to buy a house, well, it looks like the choices are going to definitely narrow. Again, my thinking on all this is that it's a push by the government to finally get a lot of these people to start paying taxes. Bottom line is, if you say on paper that you make $80,000 and yet you file for $10,000 and you're not paying any income tax, the government's saying, hey, time to pay your fair share. Now, you might disagree and say, well, I'm already paying my fair share or whatever else, but that's irrelevant. The government has the hammer in the sense of they can use the lending policies to flush people out to the surface. The other thing that was announced is that Genworth and Canada Guarantee looks like they're going to, are excited to fill the void that CMHC might be experiencing. As we mentioned before, that CMHC was reaching their $600 billion lending cap, while those two smaller insurers have about a $250 billion lending cap, and they're looking forward to the opportunities that lie ahead for 2012. Now, with all this doom and gloom about self-employed, that's not to say that lenders aren't out there that are still doing those programs. Yes, they exist. Policies are tightening, but guess what? The rates are going to be a bit higher. That's right, the rates are slowly starting to creep up in that type of lending. So, if you're self-employed, you've been sitting on the fence, debating whether to get a place or not, I might suggest that now might not be a bad time before everybody follows suit. So there is still lots of options out there. Give me a call today. It's Cam the Mortgage Man, and we can see what we can do for you.